If you're just getting started with Outlook, this video is going to walk you through the basics in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, find your way around the interface, send a new email, attach files, organize your inbox, and use the most important tools with confidence. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. To use Outlook on the web, the first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to outlook.office.com or outlook.live.com. Then sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Outlook dashboard. This is where everything starts, and if it looks a little overwhelming at first, don't worry. I'm going to break it down step by step. The first area to notice is the left-hand navigation panel. This is one of the most important parts of Outlook because it lets you switch between your main tools quickly. On the far left, you'll see icons for Mail, Calendar, Contacts or People, and To Do. Click Mail when you want to manage your inbox and send messages. Click Calendar when you want to schedule meetings or check events. Use People or Contacts to view and manage saved contacts. And use To Do to keep track of your tasks and reminders. Now let's look at the top of the inbox. One of the key buttons you'll use all the time is the New Message or New Mail button. This is how you create and send an email. Click it and a new message window will open. In the To field, type the email address of the person you want to contact. In the subject line, type a short summary of your email. Then, in the message body, type your full message. Once you're done, just click Send. If you want to add files, Outlook makes that easy too. Inside the new message window, look for the paperclip icon, which is the Attach button. Click it to add files from your computer. In many cases, you can also attach files from cloud storage, depending on your account setup. This is helpful when you need to send documents, images, or other files without leaving Outlook. Another important beginner feature is folder management. On the left side, you'll usually see folders like Inbox, Sent Items, Drafts, Archive, Junk, and any custom folders you've created. You can organize your emails by dragging messages directly into folders. This is a great way to keep work emails, personal messages, receipts, or project updates separated and easy to find later. If you want to clean up your inbox without deleting messages, use the Archive button. Archiving removes the email from your inbox, but keeps it saved in your account. If a message is unwanted or suspicious, you can use Delete or mark it as junk. That helps Outlook learn which messages should go into spam in the future. Outlook also includes Focused Inbox, which is very useful for beginners. This feature separates important emails from less important ones. Your most relevant messages usually appear in the Focus tab, while other emails appear in the Other tab. If you don't see a message where you expected it, check both tabs. Over time, Outlook learns which emails matter most to you. To find specific emails faster, use the search bar at the top. You can search by sender name, keyword, subject line, or even a phrase from the message. This is one of the fastest ways to locate old emails without scrolling through your entire inbox. If your mailbox has a lot of messages, search can save you a huge amount of time. For settings, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. This opens Outlook's settings menu. From there, you can adjust things like display preferences, layout, notification settings, and more. As a beginner, you don't need to change everything right away, but it's good to know where the settings are when you want to customize Outlook later. Now that you know the basics, here's a quick recap. Sign in at Outlook on the web, use the left side icons to move between Mail, Calendar, Contacts, and To Do, click New Message to send emails, use the paperclip to attach files, organize emails with folders, archive, delete, or junk, and use Focused Inbox and Search to stay organized. And that's how to use Outlook for beginners. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.